What's up, my royal flesh? It is I, Jay the Queen Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, girlies, I am going to recreate JAPANSLAYZ Deep Blue Sea makeup look. As you can see, it is very cute, very fishy. So if that's something you guys want to see, then keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, girl, okay, don't forget to check out JAPANSLAYZ. Go to his Instagram, show him some love. And if you guys are coming from him, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, period. Also, right after you subscribe, hit the gray bell notification button right next to it to be notified for my future uploads. And also, at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me and my content in this look, then give this video a big thumbs up. And if y'all Pisces gang, give this video a big thumbs up. If y'all any sign, really, it doesn't matter, give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. I love this primer. It's a pretty good primer. It is. It's not a bad primer. It's not at all. It's more of a pore filler. So if you have large pore, then try this out. Try this primer out. You can find this primer at Walmart, honestly. I hate it when like an eyelash hair is like loose and it like mixes in with your foundation, like while you're blending out your foundation. I hate that shit. Like, it's annoying. So I didn't vlog when I went to BeautyCon, and the reason why is because my camera broke. Like, not the camera you guys are on now, my vlogging camera. It actually broke, so that's why I couldn't vlog out there. Take the last of this ABH primer that's on the back of my hand and place that all over my lid. So I'm recreating JAPANSLAYZ blue look. I want to recreate that as much as I can because, y'all, it's a gorgeous look. It really is. I see a lighter blue and like a darker blue on the inside. So I'm going to take, going to take the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette and try to recreate this as much as I can. So I'm going to take Undertaker. Okay, now I got that color down. Now I don't have as much eyelid space as Japan does, but a bitch gonna make it work, period. Okay, so far it's looking pretty good. Oh my god, is this on low power mode? I honestly for a second really like for real thought I wasn't recording. So I'm about to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and both eyes are complete. It's looking really cute. Like, my last blue look did not look this cute, okay? So I'm glad I actually tried it and tried like using that palette over again. So I'm going to take the, like I said before, I don't know if I mentioned this, hold on, let me take this blue off my finger. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base and use that and prime my skin today. And I'm about to use my Wet n Wild foundation like I typically use. Somebody want to say hey to y'all? Hey. Hi YouTube. Y'all, so I got a lot of free makeup from BeautyCon, and literally I put the wrong last digit of my zip code, the address, everything else is, you know, correct. I just put the long last digit of my zip code wrong, so I think it's lost in the mail, and I had to call UPS customer service, and they gave me like some numbers to call Monday, because today is a Saturday when I'm filming. So I'm going to do that Monday, and hopefully I can find my package, because I really need it and I really want it. Y'all know I just love taking my regular same products. That's all I'm doing, like my everyday face that I always do, and just with my Anastasia blush trio, mixing them all together. Going in with some Fix Plus. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished look, which is a recreation of JAPANSLAYZ deep blue sea makeup look. I think I added, like, you know, my own little personal touch to it. You know, like just finding like outfits that match with it and whatnot, and also putting a different color on my lid and adding my little Pisces chain, because I'm a water sign, and you know, blue is water related, okay? So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.